In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for beginner-friendly research. First, open Grok AI. You can go to the official Grok AI website in your browser or access it through the X app on your device. Pick whichever is easier for you. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start a new session and begin exploring your topic. Next, open the chat interface. This is where you'll type your questions and interact with Grok AI. Think of it like a conversation window designed for research. If you're on the website, it will appear as a chat panel. If you're using the X app integration, it will look similar, but may be embedded in the app's interface. Before we go deeper, a quick note. I've placed a direct link to the official Grok AI website at the top of the description. If you prefer using the app route, you'll also find the relevant download link there. Use those to get set up quickly and avoid confusion. Now, enter your research topic. Type a clear subject, question, or area of study into the chat box. The more specific you are, the better the response. For example, instead of typing climate, try economic impacts of climate change on coastal cities, or key findings from recent climate adaptation studies. Clear phrasing helps Grok understand your intent. Ask Grok to help with research. You can say, "Help me research this topic," or "Give me an overview and key points about this subject." If you already know what you need, guide it further with instructions like summarize major themes, identify pros and cons, or outline key milestones. This sets expectations and keeps the output organized. Review the research output. Grok AI will return structured information, summaries, or explanations based on your prompt. Skim for headings, definitions, and major takeaways. Note any terms you don't recognize or points you want expanded. If you're preparing a report, consider copying the key sections into your notes and marking areas you'd like more detail on. Then, ask follow-up questions. This is where the tool really shines. Request clarifications, deeper explanations, or related subtopics. You can ask for comparisons, examples, timelines, or even a quick glossary. If you need more depth, ask it to break complex ideas into steps, or to surface sources and links when available to guide your further reading. That's how you can use Grok AI for research, even as a beginner. Thanks for watching.